guys, here I'm cooking some American porridge, and I'm give the corn some flavor. So I'm cooking a large pot of American porridge. So I'm going to add 3 sticks of cinnamon stick, and this is half cup of sugar. Okay, so I add half cup before, and then I add the next half cup. And this is 2 packs of corn that I'm going to also add to my pot. This corn was soaking for a while and it don't take long to cook. So when my corn is finished cook, I am going to blend up my plantain and add it to my pot for thickening. So when it is finished, I'm going to show you how I'm going to add the plantain to my American. Okay guys, I'm going to check on my pot. This American is cooked, guys. Soft. So now I'm going to blend my plantain and add to my pot. This is four huge plantain that I'm blending, and 1 can of coconut milk. Okay, so now I'm going to blend this. I finished blending my plantain, and I'm going to add this plantain to my American. Okay, turn on this flame. And I'm going to leave this to cook for our next 10 minutes. Thinner, if you like your porridge thinner than this, you can add some evap milk to it. Oh, the texture is okay in it. And I'm going to also add 1 can of evaporated milk. This is how I like the texture of my American porridge. I just see my porridge boiling up. So now I'm going to add some cinnamon spice and some vanilla. Now I'm going to add some more spice, some nutmeg. And I'm going to turn off my flame. I'm going to turn off the flame from under the pot and let it cool down a little. And then I would sweeten it with some sweet condensed milk. Okay. Guys, I'm gonna add my condensed milk. Now I've washed the can off, and I'm going to add the next milk in it because just so creamy and tastes so delicious and nice. And guys, this is my finished American porridge. It is very creamy and delicious. I've used coconut milk and green plantain and evaporated milk and sweet condensed milk in it, and I can taste the flavor in the corn, and I can also taste the plantain into the porridge also. You taste every flavor in it, and it's very creamy and nice. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you guys.